Hello everyone, I'm Iris from Guangzhou SIPUXIN Cosmetic Machinery. Today I will introduce this 8-nozzle rotary perfume filling light for you. Okay, camera, follow me. And this light, it will be including the air cleaning device, filling part device, and the crimping device, coloring device, and the output bottle device. Okay, the first step we can check here. Here is our bottle mold. For this model, we adore to the widely used. Means if you have different kinds of bottle, you only need to adjust here and here to match your bottle is okay. So no need to change another mold for your different kind of bottle. So you can check here, we have the front bottle. If you have another kind bottle such as the something round or flat bottle, that you can take this mold out, adjust here, put this part into, then fix it is okay. After that, you can check here is the conveyor belt to move this mold, and then your water will be stay here to put the bottle into the mold. And then here have a sensor. It will be check the mold here. When you read the 5 mold, it will be stopped, and then it will be get the sign note to this device, and then it will be put this 4 mold to this conveyor belt, and then this conveyor belt will be move this 4 bottles to the next part. Here you can check. Here have the motor to control the conveyor belt. You can adjust the speed to match your fuel capacity. Okay, after that, this part is the air cleaning device. Means it can be remove the dust of the bottle to ensure the quality of the bottle without the water or other dust product. And then if you change another bottle, you need to adjust this part higher to match your bottle. Here, you can check here, this part. To move it to the left side or right side, it can be adjust whole part higher or lower, up and down to match your bottle. Maybe like this bottle is about 10 minutes is okay, the higher. Okay, here this is our 4-nozzle air cleaning device. After our mold keep moving, and this sensor with the mold, this part will be start the mold keep moving, and then this whole part will be hydraulic drum to cleaning our bottle to move the dust or water out of the bottle to keep the bottle cleaning to ensure the perfume quality. And then when you change another kind of bottle, you need to adjust it. How to adjust it? To clean to pressing the PLC control panel, there will be show you the hydraulic lifting and down, and then you also can be adjust here as well. Here, when this part, okay, I show you. Okay, like this one. When you adjust your bottle, another bottle, here, this part you can check. This part, do not adjust it to loose or to tight. Something like this one is okay. That means you already adjust this part is finished, is okay, can be working. This part can be a little up and down. Finish this part, this mold will be moved to filling. Okay, you can check here. Here is our 8-nozzle perfume with negative filling. And also we adjust to the same level filling device, means for a nozzle filling, it will be with the same level. And same as the air cleaning device, this part also, when you already change another kind of bottle, you also need to adjust this whole part to match your bottle higher. After that, negative part hydraulic jump, and then you can just stay as here. This part also, do not to make it too loose or too tight. Something like this one can be a little movable. It's okay. That means this part is adjust okay. It's adjust enough to filling. And then here is our ceramic pipe. This part is anti-corrosive for our perfume, because our perfume raw material is the alcohol. So we use this ceramic pipe. And then we use the time to control the filling volume. Something like this bottle, you may be setting 5 seconds to fill the perfume into this bottle to adjust it. If not enough, maybe here, then you need to add the time to 8 seconds or 9 seconds to make it full. If it already full, then you can reduce the time to be 4 seconds or 3 seconds. It's okay, it's up to you. You need to adjust it one by one. Okay, you can check here have a 2 vibrating plane, and then you need to put your pump cap into this two device, and then it will be vibrating to transfer the pump cap through this railway to transfer the pump cap move ahead to add it to the bottle. Okay, let's move to this part. This part, you can check the back side. There have a 2 pump cap loading device. You need to put your pump cap into these 2 devices, and then it will be automatic to transfer the pump cap through this pipeline here, and then this device will be put the pump cap into our glasses bottle here automatically. Finish this part. This mode will be moved ahead, and then move to this part. And this part, the function is make our pump cap to be wide position for trapping, because it will be automatic put this part, and then it may be not on the right position. So this part, the function is put this part on the right position for crapping. And then if you change another kind of bottle, you also need to adjust the higher here. Use this part to adjust whole set higher up and down to match your bottle. Here also, do not too loose or too tight. Everything is like a broad I said. And then it will move next step. And this device, we call it capping machine, capping design. These 2 halves will be made the pump cap to match, to screw with your bottle here. Here have the sensor to check the mode as well. It will be give the size for this device to screw the pump cap. Finish this part. Say if you change another kind of bottle, you also need to adjust this part to adjust the whole set higher up and down, to adjust up and down to match your bottle higher, to make sure it will be crapping it perfect. And then finish this part, it will be moved Okay, here is another vibrating plate. Here, this is the perfume bottle's cover. You need to put your cover sliver here, and then it also through the vibrating to move the sliver through this way to move to this part, and then it will be automatic to put this sliver into your bottle. Next part, and then you can check this one. We call it the sleeving device, loading device. You can check the back side. Also have the two sleeving color loading device. Say as you also need to put your color into this device part, and then it will be automatic to transfer the sliver here, and then this part will be catch this part into put it into this bottle here. Two is the same, and then finish like this one, and then this bottle will be moved ahead. Move to this part. This part also to move this color to the right position for the coloring. Something like this one. Put it in the right position, and then finish this part off. When you change another kind of bottle, you also need to adjust the whole set higher to match your bottle. Each time you change the bottle, same time, adjust this whole set higher to match your bottle. Finish this part, then the bottle will be moved to the coloring device here, these two heads, and then this part will be pressing down, and then to make this part catch your bottle mouth here. Say as just now I said, if you change another bottle, maybe your another bottle is higher than this one or lower than this one, you also need to adjust this part here. You can check already higher, then this white is down. To adjust this whole set to match your bottle higher, then to make sure this coloring make this coloring perfect. After finish this part, and then these four bottles will be moved forward to this part. This part also have the two rubber hand here. When whole line finish, and then it already have the perfume inside, and then it will be put the four bottles out of the mold, and then put it into this conveyor belt for packing. And then here have the sensor. It will be give the signal to this device, these two devices, and then it will be put this four mold moved to the first conveyor belt to make to put the bottle again to filling, coloring, and capping again. So this is rotary type. Finished product will be on this conveyor belt, and then this belt is for the bottle mold to move ahead. Here you can check if you change another bottle. You also adjust this rubber hand to match your bottle higher. Here, adjust it. Here also adjust the whole set higher. The right side will be higher, the left side will be down. When you change another bottle, you need to adjust this part. Each time you change another different kind of bottle, you need to adjust each part to match your bottle, and then it will be finished all the line. Okay dear, you can check here is our PLC control panel. You can check it is a smart design. It can be movable to each side you want. It's convenient for you to operate, and this side also can be movable. And then this side this PLC control, we choose the Siemens brand, and inside there have a Chinese and English 2 language. Now I will choose the English for you to check it. Enter to this side. This is the first bottle. You can check there has the bottle washing and filling picture. And the pump had a spring and the guider and other bottles with every parameter inside. And then if you want to change another kind of bottle, you need to setting this details, this date, each part one by one to adjust it. And here the filling time is the filling volume as well. We use the time to control the filling volume. So maybe your bottle 50 milliliter, then you can set 5 seconds or 10 seconds. It depends on your bottle the volume. And then here have the formula inside. Maybe for example, this is the number 1. The detail is like this one is for your first bottle. And then if you want to create another formula, then press this button, create the receipt, and then write down your formula name, and then OK. It will be shown here, and then adjust it one by one. Like this one. And then when you're setting this date finish, you need to save the data here. And then this formula is okay. After you finish, after this time, maybe this week you filling the bottle 1, and then next week you want to filling the bottle 2, then you need to read the date. So this is for example, this is the bottle 1, this is the bottle 2. Then you need to read the date. That it will be shown here for you. You can check here, have the small mark here, and then download it. It will be show you the data you setting before, and then you can use this data to filling the second bottle again. No need to create the receipt again when you each time to transfer another different kind of bottle. Then here can be receipt, create each kind of receipt here. If you have 4 kind of bottle, you can set the 4 formula here. When you use the 3 bottle, you read the 3 bottle data, download it, then it's okay. Then you can no need to reset it again. This is very smart design for this for our machine. And if you from the first bottle change to the second bottle, this data you need to setting it, and the filling picture this part also need to adjust it, setting it according to your adjustment to setting it. Above is all the details of our automatic 8 nozzle perfume filling line. Our SIPUXIN with the 24 years experience original factory. Sincerely service, welcome to order.